Hello, friends. Let's talk to you today. Argon arc welding machine for high-frequency MOS tube. Let's take a look at this one. Tribet brand 50S model machine. It's 220 volts. The weight of the whole machine is only 7 kilograms. Very convenient to carry. Airframe multi-board machine structure. Equipped with 12 high-frequency MOS tubes. 1.6 to 2 tungsten needle. 8 amps of small current. High-efficiency electric welding can be achieved. Highly concentrated arc energy. Current can be preset. Air extension adjustable. High load durability. Arc ignition success rate reaches 100%. Current regulation is sensitive and accurate. Arc welding seam forming is beautiful. Do stainless steel doors and windows kitchenware hardware production. Building decoration pipeline installation. Let it accompany you. Just rest assured.